In today's discussion, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of pink lakes. These natural wonders can be found in various locations across the globe, and their formation is due to a unique combination of environmental conditions. So, let's dive in and explore the geography and environmental factors that give rise to these rosy spectacles. Pink lakes are predominantly found in areas with high evaporation rates, which leads to increased salinity levels. These salt-rich environments are often found in regions with warm climates and low precipitation, such as Australia, Africa, and South America. Some of the most famous examples include Lake Hillier in Australia, Lake Retba in Senegal, and Laguna Colorada in Bolivia. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly makes these lakes pink? The answer lies in a specific combination of geological and environmental factors present in these locations. Firstly, the high salt concentrations create a unique habitat for certain microorganisms, such as halophilic algae and bacteria. These microscopic organisms are specially adapted to thrive in high salinity environments, and they play a key role in the pink coloration. In addition to the high salt levels, the presence of certain minerals and elements in the surrounding geology also contributes to the formation of pink lakes. For example, elevated levels of magnesium and potassium in the local soil can encourage the growth of these halophilic microorganisms, further intensifying the pink hue. Other factors that may influence the development of pink lakes include the shape and depth of the lake, as well as the presence of nearby volcanic or hydrothermal activity. These conditions can all interact in complex ways to create the perfect environment for the growth of pink-tinted microorganisms, resulting in the stunning and vibrant pink lakes that we see today. In summary, the formation of pink lakes around the world is the result of a delicate interplay between geographical, geological, and environmental factors. These rare and beautiful natural phenomena remind us of the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on our planet, and they serve as a testament to the endless surprises that nature has in store for us. Now that we've looked at the geographical and environmental factors behind pink lakes, let's dive deeper into the biological and chemical processes responsible for their distinct rosy hue. It's truly fascinating how these microscopic organisms can create such vibrant colors and transform entire bodies of water. The pink coloration of these lakes is primarily due to the presence of microorganisms called halophilic algae and bacteria. Halophilic means salt-loving, and these organisms have adapted to thrive in high salinity environments. In particular, the algae Dunaliella salina and the bacteria halobacteria are key players in giving pink lakes their characteristic hue. So, how do these microorganisms create the pink color? The secret lies in the pigments they produce. Dunaliella salina, for example, produces a red pigment called beta-carotene, which is also responsible for the coloration of carrots. This pigment helps the algae to protect itself from the intense sunlight and high salt concentrations found in their environment. On the other hand, halobacteria produce a purple-red pigment called bacteriohorodopsin. This pigment allows the bacteria to harness sunlight for energy, similar to how plants use chlorophyll for photosynthesis. When these two pigments, beta-carotene and bacteriohorodopsin, combine in the water, they create this stunning pink color that we associate with these lakes. It's important to note that the intensity of the pink hue can vary depending on several factors, such as the concentration of the microorganisms, the amount of sunlight, and the water's salinity. In some cases, the color can even change throughout the day or across seasons, adding another layer of intrigue to these unique ecosystems. In conclusion, the distinct pink hue of these lakes is the result of the biological and chemical processes occurring within halophilic algae and bacteria. The pigments they produce, combined with the specific environmental conditions, create the mesmerizing rosy spectacle that is both beautiful and scientifically fascinating. Now that we've explored the geographical, environmental, and biological factors behind pink lakes, let's shift our focus to their ecological significance. These unique ecosystems are home to a variety of plant and animal species that have adapted to thrive in the challenging conditions of high salinity and intense sunlight. One of the most iconic inhabitants of pink lakes is the brine shrimp. These tiny crustaceans are incredibly resilient, able to withstand the extreme salt concentrations and temperature fluctuations that characterize these environments. Brine shrimp serve as a crucial food source for many bird species, including flamingos, which are often found in the vicinity of pink lakes. Speaking of flamingos, these elegant birds have a fascinating connection to pink lakes. Their diet consists mainly of brine shrimp and blue-green algae, both of which contain pigments such as beta-carotene and canthaxanthin. These pigments are responsible for the flamingo's distinctive pink coloration, which is more intense in birds that consume higher amounts of these pigmented food sources. In addition to brine shrimp and flamingos, pink lakes also host various species of salt-tolerant plants, such as sea blight and samphire. These plants have evolved specific adaptations to survive in the harsh conditions, including specialized cells that help them store and excrete excess salt. The ecological significance of pink lakes goes beyond the unique species that inhabit these environments. These ecosystems also serve as important sites for scientific research, as they provide valuable insights into the adaptations and survival strategies of organisms in extreme conditions. This knowledge can have broader implications for our understanding of life on Earth, and even the potential for life on other planets. To sum up, pink lakes are ecologically significant not only for the unique plant and animal species that call these environments home, but also for the valuable scientific insights they offer. These captivating ecosystems remind us of the amazing resilience and adaptability of life, even in the most challenging conditions. Moving on, let's discuss the cultural and historical importance of pink lakes for the local communities living near them. These captivating natural wonders have been an integral part of local culture and traditions, and they continue to hold potential for tourism and economic development. In many regions where pink lakes are found, local communities have a rich history of utilizing these unique ecosystems for their resources. For instance, the high salt concentrations in these lakes have made them important sites for salt extraction. Salt has long been a valuable commodity, used for food preservation, seasoning, and even in various religious and cultural rituals. In some communities, traditional methods of salt extraction are still practiced. These methods often involve manual labor, with workers collecting salt from the lake beds using simple tools. The extracted salt is then processed, packaged, and sold, providing income for the local population. Beyond salt extraction, pink lakes have also been used for other traditional practices. For example, some indigenous communities in Australia consider these lakes to be sacred sites and have incorporated them into their cultural narratives and ceremonies. These connections to the land and the environment are an essential part of local heritage and identity. In recent years, the unique beauty of pink lakes has attracted increasing attention from tourists and travelers, opening up new opportunities for economic development. Tourism centered around these natural wonders can provide a significant source of income for local communities, as visitors come to marvel at the vibrant colors and learn about the science and history behind them. However, it's important to balance the economic benefits of tourism with the need to protect and preserve these fragile ecosystems for future generations. In conclusion, pink lakes hold significant cultural and historical importance for local communities, serving as both a source of valuable resources and a unique attraction for tourism. As we continue to learn more about these fascinating ecosystems, it's crucial to respect and preserve their delicate balance, ensuring that they remain a source of wonder and inspiration for generations to come. As we wrap up our discussion on pink lakes, let's examine their economic value, focusing on the extraction of natural resources like salt and the potential for sustainable industries in these areas. The unique characteristics of these ecosystems provide a variety of opportunities for local communities to generate income, while also emphasizing the importance of preserving the delicate balance of these environments. As mentioned earlier, the high salt concentrations in pink lakes make them ideal sites for salt extraction. Historically, salt has been a valuable commodity with numerous uses, and the demand for this resource has only grown with the expansion of modern industries. In addition to its traditional uses in food preservation and seasoning, salt is now utilized in various industrial processes, such as the production of chemicals and the manufacturing of textiles. The extraction of salt from pink lakes can provide a significant source of income for local communities. However, it's important to ensure that this industry remains sustainable and environmentally friendly. This can be achieved by implementing responsible extraction methods, minimizing waste, and continuously monitoring the health and vitality of the lake ecosystems. In addition to salt extraction, pink lakes hold the potential for other sustainable industries. Salt extraction. For example, the unique microorganisms found in these ecosystems, like the algae salina, could be harnessed for the production of valuable compounds such as beta-carotene, which has applications in the food, cosmetic, and pharmaceutical industries. Furthermore, as we discussed earlier, the growing interest in pink lakes as tourist destinations presents an opportunity for the development of ecotourism. By promoting responsible and sustainable tourism practices, local communities can capitalize on this interest while also raising awareness of the importance of preserving these unique ecosystems. This could include providing educational programs, guided tours, and eco-friendly accommodations for visitors. In conclusion, pink lakes offer a variety of economic opportunities, particularly in the extraction of natural resources like salt and the development of sustainable industries. However, it's crucial to balance economic growth with the preservation of these delicate ecosystems, ensuring that the natural beauty and ecological significance of pink lakes can be enjoyed for generations to come.